Hello, my name is Marc Ramoneda, and I have been working always in engineering office related to pharma manufacturing. So what we have realized is that most of the pharma companies have data in silos in the shop floor. So we have decided to set up Appliant, which is a product company that designs a manufacturing intelligence platform precisely to break these data silos in the shop floor and optimize the process itself. We have submitted a project with Meribel Pharma Solutions, which is a CMO company. The main goal there were digitalize the paper-based records that they were doing manually, which takes to them like 11 days to release the batch. So the main challenge was digitalize all the process end-to-end, considering they had legacy equipment also, and mainly of the data were in silos. So we implement the batch intelligence platform to really reduce this release time down to 2 days. Also, we secure in that way 100% process fulfillment, in the sense that they had to do the step-by-step process in the paper on glass solution. And then we secure also that we're not missing entries in the batch records anymore.
Hello, my name is Anna. I'm working at Appliant as a product owner. And this is the batch intelligence platform in which the operators can load the manufacturing data, and then the quality personnel can go through it and then check and release the batches. In here, the operator can navigate through the different menus. He or she can go to the different rooms where there are the paper and glass that will be enabled. And then there's the revision and approval section, the scheduling of batches, the audit trail regarding all of the actions being performed in the application, and the different reports that can be consulted from the application.
We are really glad to be finalists of this award after just 1 year of launching our manufacturing intelligence platform. It's a way of the recognition of the work well done, but also we are more than glad that being the first company performing electronic batch record for life science just with zenon.